In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with tricky navigation, use this square button. Then click on Pop-up View at the bottom and click on Home button. Now to move your window around, hold it and drag it. If you wish to resize it and find all of its options, double tap it. Sorry, misclick. Now to resize it, hold this corner. Actually, this icon of one of your corners, it depends. Hold it, drag it, and when you find a perfect size, let go. If you wish to use your app in full screen view but then go back to pop-up view right away, click on those two arrows. Then do wherever you want to. And to go back, click on the same arrows, this time pointing at each other. To turn your app into a bubble, click on this arrow pointing at a dot. To go back to your window, click on the bubble. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, click on this square. This time though, to go back to pop-up 1, you need to access it again like the first time. Then adjust your window. Now, if you wish to close your window completely, you can simply click on this X at the top right corner. You can also swipe it in the background or turn it into a bubble. Drag the bubble to remove section at the top and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!